rural. He is also a regional advisor on poverty at United Nations ESTWE Beirut during 2017 and consultant to the government of Sri Lanka during 2016. Until 2014, he was a professor at the JNU, New Delhi. He's been the Dean of the School of Social Sciences and has served as a member of National Statistical Commission during 2006 and 8. Something very relevant for a program going on at the AMU, that he has been chairperson of the post-structure evaluation committee set up by the Ministry of Minority Affairs, and he has also been visiting professor in universities at Amsterdam, Paris and Germany. Presently he is on the editorial boards of many prestigious journals. He's written 35 books and 300 research articles. He will be speaking to you for 2 sessions. We are very grateful to you, sir, for finding time for our course. So you can give them a break at 10:30 and then we'll join you back at 10:45. Thank you so much.
Thanks, ma'am, for this kind words.
शो लगा ओके तो मैं एडिट मोड में कर दूँ स्लाइड शो
It's honor and privilege for me to come to Aligarh Muslim University. The university established at a very challenging time, but by Sir Sayyid Khan. Can I have the papers from my bag? Bag? What do you get?
बैग सर जो बैग लाए हैं रूम में है मंगा दीजिए
the university was set up with the vision of national and global peace, communal harmony, and also of inclusive development, catering to the needs, educational needs of the marginalized sections of the population. And I'm sure I looked at the program, they are very well designed to bring in some of these concerns into the program, and I think all the three, peace, communal harmony, and inclusiveness are very important for academic leaders of this country. And I can see I'm privileged to have some of the future vice chancellors and directors of institutes in front of me, and I'm sure we will be meeting them in different other occasions also. Let me begin with an anecdote, a real story. 2008, Queen Elizabeth was visiting London School of Economics. And she told the faculty, a major global crisis had hit the country, and she herself was down by 25 million pounds as a result of the global economic crisis. This was immediately after the 2008 big global crisis, which started with American housing market, Lehman Brothers collapse.